My dear students, some of the components of the interview need to be considered for the effective interviewing. For example, use free information. Sometimes the applicants are giving free information, and those informations are very helpful to ask the next question. Every time an applicant opens his mouth, you get free information. If you don't listen actively, you are going to miss valuable insight about the applicant. And if you would miss those free information, obviously it is just a wastage of time. So free information should be the foundation for many of your interview questions. So never miss free information and use it according to your need. Screen out personal biases. Don't allow personal views or opinions to interfere with active listening, because your personal biases are the killer of your creativity in the interviewing process. Acknowledge any emotional states. Maybe you had some issues at the work this morning and now you are in a foul mood, or perhaps you are depressed because you just learned that you didn't get the promotion you are hoped for. Emotional states can overshadow your ability to be attentive during an interview. So you have to be in control of your emotional states, and your emotional states should not be involved in the poor listening during the interview. Acknowledge any unusual emotional states. If you would acknowledge your unusual emotional states and exercise self-discipline until after the interview is over. So till the interview, you need to acknowledge your emotional state, and those acknowledgement of the emotional states and your self-discipline will make your interview and listening during the interview more effective. Thought speed. This is very important, my dear student. This is a wonderful tool that enables interviewers to hone their active listening skills. And here's how it works. Researchers have determined that most people think at the rate of approximately 400 words per minute. We speak at the rate of approximately 125 words per minute. So it means thought process is more faster than our speaking. In short, we think faster than we speak. While the applicant is talking, you can use your thought speed to accomplish a great deal, including the following. What you can do, you can prepare your next question because your thought speed is very faster. Then you can analyze what the applicant is saying. Then you can piece together what the applicant is saying now in relation to something said earlier in the interview. And number 4, glance down the application and or resume to verify information as well. And then you can observe the applicant's body language. And then you can mentally check your own body language to ensure that you are conveying interest and understanding in the interview. And consider how this applicant's background relate to the job requirement. So you can consider all these things. And very important, you can take notes if you have a high thought speed. Thought speed can also work to your detriment if you anticipate how applicants are likely to complete their responses before they finish. So better to stay away from it. Jump to conclusion too soon. Compare an applicant's responses with those of a previous applicants, or get too involved in note taking. When applicants ramble or speak in a monotone, your mind can also wander, causing you to tune out. Guard against such responses by periodically recapping what the applicant has said. So thought speed is very much important, and you need to be focused if you want to get more effectiveness during the interview process.